Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Versing School, morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in numbers. It's the fifth class of our annual examination, okay? And your lecture number is 5, and you have the homework. Your homework number is also 5. Now it's the fifth part of write-in numbers. In the previous parts of write-in numbers, we have learned from the numbers. We have learned the numbers from 51 to 90. Today we will learn only 10 numbers from 91 to 100. Okay, from 91 to 100. It's a new number, 100. It has 3 digits, but previously we have only 2 digits number. Today we will learn the 3-digit number 100. Okay. Now my dear students, its first number is 91. As previous classes like that, we should indicate the place value of tens and ones. And to write down 91, we should write down separately 90 and 1. To write down 90, we should write down 9 in the tens place. Okay, and to write down 1, we must write down 1 in the ones place. This makes 91. How? It's 9 tens and 1 ones makes the number which is 91. You can say directly that 9 and 1 makes the number 91. Okay, after 91, we should write down 92. The next number is 92. And like this way, we should fill up all the numbers. Okay, 92. So we should indicate the place value of tens and ones only. Okay, to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place. And to write down 2, we must write down 2 in the ones place. This makes 9 tens and 2 ones is 92. Or you can say directly that is 9 and 2 make the number 92. After 92, the number comes which is 93. To write down 93, we must indicate only the place value of tens and ones. Okay. And then to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place. And to write down 3, we must write down 3 in the ones place. This makes 9 tens. 3 ones makes the number 93. You can say 9 and 3 makes the number 93. After 93, the number comes which is 94. To write down 94, we must indicate at first the place value tens and ones. Okay. Now to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place again, and to write down 4, we only write down 4 in the ones place. It makes 94. 9 tens and 4 ones makes the number 94, dear students. Okay, the next number of 94 is 95. First of all, indicate the place value here. After that, to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place. Okay, and to write down 5, we should write down 5 only in the ones place. It makes 95. 9 tens and 5 ones makes the number 95. Or you can say directly that is 9 and 5 makes the number 95. After 95, the number comes which is 96. My dear students, in the right side, top side I have written here 96. To write down 96, we must indicate the place value of tens and ones. To write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place. To write down 6, we must write down 6 in the ones place. It makes 96, my dear students. When the number comes is 9 and 6, it's very critical. Don't write down 9 like this, or don't write down line 6 in this way. Okay, it's the wrong process. 9 is like this one. This is the symbol of 9, the number 9, and this is the number 6. The symbol of 6 is this way. Okay, not this way is the 6. It is the wrong process. Don't write down this one. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now the next number of 96 is 97. Okay, 97. To write down 97, we must indicate at first the place value of tens and ones. Then to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place. And to write down 7, we must write down 7 in the ones place. Okay, it will be 97. Now my dear students, after 97, it comes 98. First of all, we must indicate the place value, and to write down 90, we must write down 9 in the tens place, and to write down 8, we only write down 8 in the ones place. It makes 98. 9 tens and 8 ones makes the number 98, or 9 and 8 makes the number 98. After 98, the number comes is 99. we need only tens place and ones place, okay, to write down 99. Now to write down 90 we must write down 9 in the tens place, and to write down 9 we must write down only 9 in the ones place. It makes 99. That means 9 tens and 9 ones makes the number 99, or 9 and 9 makes the number 99. Dear students, after 99 the number comes which is the last number is 100. Look, this is 100. That means we need the 100 place also to write down 100. In the before number of 100 is tens place and ones place only need to write down tens place, ones place. But it is 100. It need to write down the 100 place because it is 100 here. So ones place, tens place and the 100 place is needed here to write down this number. Okay, because this is a 3-digit number, and to write down any 100 we must write down the 100 place. Okay, now it is how many 100? It's 100. That means we must write down only 1 in the 100 place. Only 1 in the 100 place. So write down 1 in the 100 place, and the other 2 place value will be filled up with the digit 0 as like before. So it is 0 and 0. This makes 100. So you can say 100s makes the number 100s, 0 tens and 0 ones makes the number 100, or 1 and 2 zeros makes the number 100. You can say also 100 makes the number 100. I hope, dear students, you have understood. That means only to write down 100, when we come to write down 100 we need the place of 100 place, okay. But the other number, that means when we have no 100, then we no need to write down the 100 place. Is that clear, students? Now you have the homework. Your homework number is 5. This is your CW and this is also your HW. My dear students, your HW number is 5. Okay, please mention the HW number in your HW copy and do the HW properly in your HW copy. You can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.